Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have WITT LOWRY here with a song called Somewhere in Between. So WITT here is an artist I feel deserves more attention, and of course he has a great following base there. But anyway, great songs coming up there from him. So this one, Somewhere in Between, is about 2 chords, 2 bar chords, and 1 strumming pattern. Very easy but cool song to learn. So let's start with the 2 chords. You will go with the G sharp, so that's a bar chord here, a bar placed on the 4th fret, and you bar all strings there. The rest will be 6 on A string, 6 on D string, and 5th on G. And then we have the second and final chord, that's the C minor, bar now on the 3rd fret on all strings except from the last E here in the bass, so 5 strings from bottom up like this. And then the rest will be 5th on D, 5th on G, and 4th on B. Alright, so you go back and forth between the G sharp and the C minor. So let's take a look finally at this strumming pattern. It's a pretty long one, but it replicates the beat here in this song. So you will go with the down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so that's the first half of it. So like this. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. Alright, so that's the first half. So you do a small pause there, a small break after the up, down, up. And then you're gonna continue with up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So. Up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. And if we connect these 2 parts, it will be down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. And then you shift to the next chord, the C minor, and do the same there. Back and forth, 1 strumming around per chord. So slowly. So, Somewhere in Between from WITT LOWRY. And yeah, if you enjoyed this tutorial, feel free to thumb up and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will really appreciate all of your help here. So thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.